milder across a lot of the country by the middle of March. We're also going to see a lot more rain and snow in California, where it's very desperately needed, and we'll have more on that later in the show. But let's begin with where the freezing rain is right now, and it has been stubbornly persistent across a lot of the D.C. metro. Still light freezing rain being reported now, BWI and at Dulles. I would imagine the bridges in particular very dangerous right now, but the temperature's at about 31 degrees, so that's just a little above where if you have a lower temperature you tend to find really big problems. At 31 it may not be so bad. It looked like the traffic was moving along there in Rick's live shot. And here's our forecast. You notice the freezing rain continuing, but then gradually being replaced by rain over the next couple of hours. That's the green showing up there, and then it's all going to start to move away through the late overnight hours and into early tomorrow morning. That'll be the end of that, but it will still be cold and there could be some slick spots. Now, here's an area we're really concerned about, southeast PA, talking about Philadelphia out into Chester County there, Delaware County, and then westward into Lancaster County, right along the turnpike. We've had moderate freezing rain for a couple of hours in Pottstown as well as Reading, and so this is the area where we're expecting that there's going to be more significant accumulation. That's also up into southern Jersey, right across the Atlantic City Expressway. We will see more of a change over there later tonight, but the freezing rain may linger well into the evening in southeast PA and the eastern part of the state, and will also creep up and towards New York City. Still snowing, we think, through a lot of southeastern New York as well as across Connecticut. Then finally, by tomorrow morning, as mentioned earlier, everything begins to move out. So notice the bullseye there. That's where we're talking about 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch of ice accumulation. So we're getting towards the territory where you may start to see some issues with power. And then you've got snow coming down across Connecticut. It's been moderate snow in a lot of southern Connecticut, thinking about 6 to 7 inches there additionally, and about 3 to 5 through a lot of southeastern Massachusetts. Nick, Maria, back to you.
Amazing. Happy meteorological spring, everybody.
Yeah, right. All right, Sparta's just one winter player that we're tracking. Los Angeles is one place that actually is welcoming the weather from our other winter storm.
Yeah, you are getting some really much needed moisture from Winter Storm Thor ahead. How much more rain you could see from this latest winter storm, and some of Thor's unwelcome weather impacts as it pushes from coast to coast.